Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of face-to-face to online transition. Today we will be looking at the easiest way to convert a PDF into a Word document. It hardly takes you 2 seconds. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I have my PDF document, which is a hypothesis project, and I want to convert this into a Word document. So I go ahead and open up my Microsoft Word and I click on Open. I click on open and I browse where my file is. It's on the desktop. I go ahead and click on it and click open. And then the Word is going to prompt a window saying that, a comment box saying that Word is now trying to convert your PDF file. It might not be as same as the PDF, but we'll try our best. You click OK. And you see that Microsoft Word is working on it. And here I have my statistical project. Let me go ahead and show you how the PDF looks like so you can compare. I'm going to move this to the side right here. Oops, move this to the side right here. Open up my PDF. And here you go. This is my PDF document and this is my Word document. Let me scroll this down. Word has done an amazing job converting my PDF into the Word. Hope this helps.